How often a week do you practice and how long? Days you didn't feel like training, what would you do? Girlfriend, good or not good for power moves? Welcome to Crashfest 2026. We're going to be going behind the scenes and we're going to be asking questions to some of the most high-level power movers really changing the game at this point. Let's start out with one of the legends right here. We got my main man, Ronnie. You know, you changed the game forever, right?
Mad respects to all the power heads. Mad respects to Sambo, my dude.
Back in the days you didn't feel like training, what would you do?
I would just try to work out and stay like active as much as possible. Right now, at the moment, I am very active. Have a battle coming up, V1 Battle of the Gods in Russia. So
against who?
Against bboy Kareem. Yeah, I just been getting prepped for that, and you know, I'm trying to bring those old school signature power move back.
Let's move on to the next question. Do you think your environment, the people that you hang around with, do they have a strong influence on your results?
Coming from my generation, I grew up around a lot of power heads. You know, a lot of them were inspired by like Jazzy J, Pablo, Charo, many legends that were coming out of the West Coast. They really guided me to get where I needed to be today. Yeah, my peers is always first.
Let's say in your prime, how often a week would you practice and how long would those practice sessions be on average?
We would have some crazy sessions. Sometimes it would be probably 4 or 5 hours a day, but in the middle of the night. So we probably start at like 11 p.m. and end around like 4 or 5 a.m. So it was kind of like a thing that we would do, because usually when you're breaking and you're tired, you're in that motion where when you get on the dance floor, you're not going to have trouble.
You make your training more challenging so that when you get in battle, everything's easy.
Exactly. Like we'll probably throw like 15, 20 rounds.
And then 2 rounds ain't nothing, right?
Exactly. So it becomes easier, you know? So you got to prep the harder way. So when you get into the battle, it's a little bit easier for you.
Dope, man. I didn't really realize he was walking around here. Like, he's the founder of the Munch Air Flare. He's the founder of the Hopping Air Flares. If he didn't do his thing, a lot of these guys wouldn't be doing what they're doing here today. Joker, please, come. How many times in the week do you practice and how long?
1 times on day, 3 hours minimum, maximum 12 hours.
Oh, sometimes you practice 12 hours one day.
Yeah, begin 9 p.m. and my train 9 a.m.
Other way around. Don't worry, don't worry. If you have friends that train hard around you, you think this helps?
Yes, of course. My friends give me power and motivation for develop my power, my style.
All your friends, b-boys?
Yeah. B-boys and my parents, they help me with my breakdance.
They support you?
Yeah, very support.
When you have feeling you don't want to go training, what do you do?
It's hard question. I go to the train and I think I want to create new stuff.
Just go to training and create some new ideas.
Yeah.
Malishna, Malish. How many times a week you practice and how long?
Every day, 2-3 hours.
Is having good friends important to get to high level?
I have so little.
Like, you don't have many friends, but they're breakers.
Only breaking friends, because I think if I have friends without breaking, I will think not breaking.
That's well said. If he hangs around with people that don't break, his mind is gonna go away from the break. One more question. Girlfriend, good or not good for power moves?
I think have a girlfriend, it's so many troubles and problems, yes.
When you don't feel like training, how you fix this?
I just разминаюсь там.
Warm up, workouts,
Yes.
not so much crazy power move, but still go to practice.
Yes, discipline.
Gekon, I have for you 3 questions, brother. How many times you practice and how long?
In the normal life, I practice 3 times, after 1 day chilling, and after again 3 times.
3 days training, 1 day rest. 3 days training, 1 day rest. When you don't feel like training, you feel tired, motivation not strong, how you fix this?
I fix this, I go to practice, I do something, another interesting things like writing the music, and after training again.
Yeah, one more question. Do you think having the right friends around you is important to get to high level power move?
It's of course important, because we're training with the powerful guys and the guys who have good motivation.
Girlfriend, good or not good for power moves?
It can be good, it can be not good.
She must support you, yes?
Yes, of course.
Tiger. How often a week do you practice and how long?
I practice around 6 times in a week, around 2 times in one day by 2 hours.
Do you think your friends and the people you have around you have a strong influence on your results?
I think so. My friends also motivated me. They helped me to practice.
If you have some day you feel not so good, what goes on in your mind? How do you deal with that?
I just chilling. I can go to the swimming pool, something like that, and do the day without breaking.
But still stay active. You gonna win again today?
Let's see.
You have new move?
Yes, for me it's most important to show everyone my new stuff.
You had enough time for new stuff?
Yes.
Can't wait to see, man. Good luck. There you have it, guys. The best videos only with your man, Coach Sambo. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the motherfucking Crash Fest.